Hi, it's Charlotte from the Mac Observer here. I thought I'd give you a quick guide through how to use Apple Music on the web. I know lots of us use it primarily on either our phones through the app or the app on your Mac, but you can also access it through the web and it's got almost all the functionality. So you go to music.apple.com and you get the web page you can see on screen, and then obviously tap sign in. Once you're all signed in, you get access to all the normal functions, whether it's the For You recommendations. You can browse normally, you can access the radio, which has obviously just been recently rebranded to Apple Music Radio with Apple Music One, Music Hits and Country. And you can access all your full library as well, with the artists that you might have liked, and also the albums and songs. Any saved playlists will also be there. The main feature that's missing is access to music videos. The nice thing about Apple Music on the web is it means you can access your music library and your Apple Music subscription without having to be on not just your Mac or iPhone, but anyone's Mac or iPhone. You can go to the website on any device and you'll be able to access all that functionality and all your music. There's obviously work being done to develop Apple Music on the web because there's a beta you can test as well. So we'll take a look on that and maybe we'll have a guide through for next time. Do let me know how your experience with Apple Music on the web is and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.